Hey, Sparrow here, Las Vegas Realtor with Aaron Taylor, the real estate guy team. And I have one of our exclusive listings at 2240 Suncliffs in Sun City, Summerlin. This 3 bedroom, 2 and 3/4 bath, 3 car garage on almost 2,400 square foot home is an amazing home. Let's go inside and take a look at this bad boy. Right here when you walk in, look how open it is right when you walk into the home. Recessed ceilings give it depth in each room. Plantation shutters throughout the whole house. Very open as we just pan around and stroll in slow mo. Coming into the informal living room with beautiful fireplace right off the kitchen. Looking out the triple sliders. Beautiful view of the valley. But look at that kitchen. Man, just opens right up. Plenty of cabinetry. Nice glass cabinets towards the end where you're not hiding your junk, you're hiding your good looking grandma's pots and pans and grandma's dishes that you don't get to use except on holidays. Right here, kitchen, just beautiful all the way around. A little desk right there. You got a breakfast nook right here. And again, those windows, you're looking over the valley. Camera doesn't show it from right there, but the naked eye, you can see the valley. Look, looking right into the fireplace. You can cook, still socialize with the family. We're going to cruise on through here backwards. Ta-da! Going to head on down the hallway. Take a look what we got. We got this great natural light throughout the house with the skylights. We got a full bath right here again with another skylight. Love how these Sun City Summerlin homes have the natural light that comes in. Got an office right here. It's up to you if you want to keep the glass desktop or not. But let's come into the laundry room. We got sink, cabinetry. But this is my favorite part of the house. This is wall to wall, floor to ceiling cabinets. Look at that. Just bask in it for a second. Look at the beauty of it. Park a really small car or your golf cart. But look at the storage. You don't find that in homes here in Sun City. Just amazing amount of storage. Let's head back into the house through the laundry room. We're gonna zoom, zoom, zoom right into one of the guest bedrooms. You didn't think my little ace can move that fast, did you? Look at that. Plantation shutters again throughout the whole home. Full bathroom. It's not the primary, but it's still nice full bath. Let's head. This is the primary. Look at the double doors, recessed ceilings, plantation shutters heading into the bathroom. Beautiful fireplace, little peace and tranquility in the bedroom. It's big primary. Look at the soaker tub, dual vanities, beautiful rain shower head. Oh, look at that. Hey, what's up? And come into the closet. Custom closet. Great storage. Utilization of all the space in there. Got the soaker tub. Man, it's a nice one too. This is my favorite part right here. Look at that. Oh, clothes racks or towel racks, they just come and go. And we're going to zoom on over here and speed my little legs up down the hall. We're going to take a peek out in the backyard. Boom, cut through the kitchen. Boom, boom. Look at the size of these sliders. So you can't tell right now with the clouds, but that's the strip and the Air Force Base over there. But look at that. Outside the nice pile of leaves opens up right into the house. Look how much space you got right there. Oh, so peaceful there right now. Cruise on over here into the corner. This is a great spot. You can put a bistro table. You can put a jacuzzi out here. Catch your sunrises. Or when the sun sets the other way, it's a little bit cooler, so you can have wine. Again, that's the strip there. It's just hard to tell with the camera. But when you're actually standing there, the strip is beautiful. You got little water features up against the house. There's 3 water features on the property. There was 1, here's 2, and then there's a big water feature coming into the front door also. Again, looking up at North Vegas. Look how big that slider is. That slider's so lightweight. Look at that. I appreciate you guys taking the tour. If you're looking to buy, sell, or invest in the Las Vegas market, don't forget to hit me up. I'm Sparrow with the Real Estate Guy team, and thank you for tuning our exclusive listing in Sun City, Summerlin. Have a great day. Peace.